Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. This morning I'm going to do another propagation video on hydrangea. Show you how to bulk up your plants, but I'm not doing it through cuttings this time. I'm going to show you how to do layering, which is an old technique, but it is successful. But it does take a lot longer to increase your numbers. But let me show you how we do it. So once again, I'm using my hydrangea Conmara rose. To be honest, it's the only hydrangea that I actually have. As you can see, it has sprawled everywhere. It was looking great, as previously said in my last video. It got battered by the rain and winds the other week. But hydrangeas do have these nice flexible shoots. I'm just walking around the back side to show you what I did a few weeks back now. So let's move this stem. So this is the section. Let's try and get that out of the way. Right, that's the section. So that has been layered into the ground, which is a really easy method to do, and I'll show you and talk you through it. Essentially all we need, little spade and a pair of secateurs, and I'll walk around again and show you how to do it. So this is the stem that we're going to be using. As you can see, it's naturally got a drop to it. If I left it, it would sprawl onto the grass. So the first thing is really to work out which direction we can bend it to be able to get it into the ground. So I think I'll bend it the other way, and that's the spot there that we're going to dig out. So again, it's going to be a bit more awkward doing it one-handed. Oh, found a little narcissi bulb there, never mind. So, slightly chamfer. There's a couple more narcissi bulbs. We'll just get them out of the way. Right, so all we do, we work it out there. That's how it's going to sit. So that's our joint now. I'll try and do this. Right, so you can see that's where it's going to be, so we want to make an incision just under that leaf. Okay, so that's where we're going to try and run the plant to, and this bit is going to be underground, so that's roughly where we're going to be making our incision. Just take your secateurs, run up some of the layer there. We'll do it also on this joint. So do be careful with this. Can you zoom and come forward a bit so you can get all that? So you're just creating these slight openings there within your cambium layer, and you just position down, cover over, minding the bulbs, like so. And then I've got an old bit of hydrangea there actually, which had snapped off, so I'll just cut that as a makeshift peg. Push it down, firm it, and that zone there will be where it starts rooting. You'll end up with this section will continue to grow, which for the time being is going to be a bit of a pain for cutting the lawn, but I can snip that back. Well, let's do that now. And then this bit here, by the probably by about October time, so 8 weeks time, 8 to 10 weeks time, this section will have formed a small root, and then you'll be able to dig it out, and that will become your new plant. So thanks for watching the video. hope you found it useful. So it's always handy to have a couple of different methods for plant propagation to fall back on, and yeah, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, send me a message, and see you soon. Bye.